Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play rust on guitar. The rusty sound is all about raw, gritty guitar tones, often achieved with heavy distortion and fuzz pedals. It's less about technical perfection and more about attitude and emotion. We'll explore how simple, powerful two-note chords and dynamic shifts can create that signature sound. Think of it as capturing a powerful, unpolished vibe that resonates deeply. To build your rusty sound, start with power chords. They are the backbone of this style. Practice palm muting to add a percussive, chunky feel to your riffs. Many players also use drop tunings, like tuning the low E string down one whole step to D for a heavier sound. Don't forget to add expressive slides and bends to give your playing a vocal-like character. Achieving the right tone is key for a rusty sound. Distortion and fuzz pedals are your best friends, providing that thick, crunchy texture. Don't be afraid to crank your amplifier's gain and experiment with the EQ. Embracing controlled feedback can add an element of chaos and unpredictability. Some guitarists also tune their instrument down one half step for a looser, darker feel. Consistent practice is vital to truly master this style. Play along with your favorite songs to internalize the feel and timing. Don't shy away from experimenting with different pedals and amplifier settings to find your unique voice. Remember, the rusty sound prioritizes raw emotion and powerful rhythms over intricate lead guitar work. Keep exploring and have fun making some noise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.